I'm Harsh Mishra from Transformers Marketing. I've been here since yesterday for the training program, presentation and communication skills. But that was not exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for something else, not exactly presentation. Because those things don't matter. If you have content, it shows, and it automatically it spills over. If you have content, and somehow I have a liking for people whom I consider intelligent. If I find people are not intelligent, I somehow just sit and I just don't do. I just wait for the time to pass by. This thought has been occurring to us again and again. In some or the other, my interactions with people. I find 80% people don't understand. My frequency doesn't match with them, or their frequency rather doesn't match with them. Either they are something happens. But the point is, I am not able to strike that relationship, that chord, which is required. I might have a big dream, but I won't do it alone. I will do it alone, but then I'll leave people. So it could be like that. And I have always found it when you were saying, it's not that I feel I'm whatever, but the point is I'm actually not able to keep up that relation. There are very few people, after meeting 100 people, I'm able to retain 5 or 6 people with me. And because they also think like that, and we always be around in a cutthroat thing, like who overdoes whom, sort of. And people who cannot cope up with our speed and ambitions are somehow let back. So this thing is very, very bad, and I learned that I should not do that, because now I see this digital department. I have this, this at the back of my mind. I have this notion, sort of, that this department is not doing good. But somehow, after seeing him, meeting Mr. Suresh, just now what I heard from you, I woke up. I was, of course, awake physically, but then I was, somehow I was in my cocoon. I was not listening to, or somehow I felt like it is, run-of-the-mill thing going on. Things were instigating, but I was not able to cross the threshold. Now you made me do that. So I'll not say because of managers executives leave, or because of executives managers leave that. But the point is, you tell me, you stand a testimonial that yes, because of us also some people can leave. So that thought is coming to me now, and I will not let it happen in my division at least. Just today I got my first order from Sethar Vessels. This is one contractor for 255 lakhs.
Okay.
So, and it was after a lot of negotiation. Even yesterday when we had to been to his doctor, he had checkup. So there also he was almost 7 to 8 calls per day I have been taking, and he has been asking, he has been changing specifications and all. And I really feel, I was feeling like blasting him. Boss, you don't understand, you are idiot, I don't need to deal with you. I'll lose a customer better than, rather than making you explain 10 times. I've been explaining the same thing, he is not understanding, he is a dumbass. That was the thought coming in, but then I was, every time controlling myself. No, whatever he is, I have to deal with him, I have to take this order anyhow. I won't let a review or a Ariba take this order. So that was the kind of thought that was coming in. And I had similar thoughts for my regional people also who were helping me. So I was rather trying to bypass it. But now, actually, seriously speaking, I feel like these are the people. These are actual. If you can stand up and say like he has polished you and made us diamonds and all those things, I can also do that. Every one of us can do that.
Sure.
And frankly speaking, I'll be doing it. I'll try to let go of all my notions, all my thoughts that I had. That this person is not to my match, to my expectations. It is all bullshit. Everybody is up to your expectations. You just have to see from that angle. You have to find it. You have to behave with him in such a way that he comes up to your level. Ultimately, it is helping you. It is helping him. So it's like building up that positive energy all around you. Otherwise, you will always say like I would have said like that. I would have gone unknown. Nobody would have known me. Just because he called me a couple of times, he challenged me openly. So like I took it as a challenge, and it is good. It is good. You should be saying like that. And I think in real life also we should be saying like that. If I feel something for you, I say you. So these are the things I am learning. And moment of truth. Just because I thought so much, I had become a passive person over a period of time. I was very active around 6, 7, 8 months back. But over this period, I have become so passive. I have been observing people, and like I sit there and I don't think like am I going to learn something from him or not. I think like what I want to see through every person, and I think that I've developed the capability of seeing through you. Whatever you are thinking, I know what you are thinking. What will be the next step? But those are wrong things. They stop me from acting then and there. So I fail to be now and here. And that I've started losing out on many things. Even if my boss is speaking to me something, I'm lost. I'm thinking about something. Oh, what is he speaking? See, he's concocting a story. He's making up a story right now. I'm seeing it. I'm saying, oh, come on, boss. And I give a smirk. He understands. He's put off and he goes away. So, but this is not the kind of thing that should be happening. Now I'll make sincere efforts. I'm making it. I'll make everybody feel happy. Everybody who's around me, and not let him feel like I'm put off with you. You are not no match to me, and all those things. So, it's a promise. It's a promise. You will stand testimony to it.
Very good.
Yeah.
We see.
I'll make I'll again make that charisma around me. Thank you very much.
Very good. Very good.
This division, when we came, I felt it is lifeless. What is life? Everybody is just involved in his work, and but now I'm seeing it. I can see it. I can bet on this that it's not it, man. Like it will be lively tomorrow onwards. Today onwards, it is already lively yesterday onwards. People, whenever we move out, people are watching us. People are seeing us. What are these guys doing? Highly energetic people. So I think now all the big shots are here, and it's entire thing is yours. Entire thing is yours. So if at all somebody comes here, he should not get a feel like that. I think I can take it from you all also.
Sure.
I feel very happy about it.
Sure. Very good.